Oh, hi Shaira.
Hi. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon. We're going to SM Clark right now, even it's raining.
Hi everyone. Yes, now typhoon in the Philippines, and we're going to eat in the SM City Clark and show to you what's happening in SM City Clark, how many people, and also we want eat in SM City Clark. We have new supermarket in the Mabalacat city. They opened maybe 20 days ago. This Walter Mart. Now we already going to Angeles City from Mabalacat. Don't have traffic today because it's not working day. If working day, so heavy traffic. Here also not so many people. Don't have people. Don't have traffic. Usually people this time going to SM and so heavy traffic this time. Time now 3 p.m. Okay, we're going to SM. Parking. Look, Sunday, so many available space here. We already parked car. SM very close to gate, but we will bring umbrella. I take jacket because in SM Clark cold for me. In Shaira also cold. And we show to you what's new now in SM City Clark. SM City Clark. Empty. Not so much people. Even near gate also. People waiting jeepney. Oh, welcome. Also pets allowed also. Hi. Angel's Pizza. Shaira, you want to try? But pizza we already eat before. I don't want to eat pizza today. Bacolod chicken in a sal. We already tried before. We tried. Shaira, not cold for you? But why you not take jacket? You have jacket in the car. Small? Even small is better. It's okay, I use jacket, it's good jacket. It's for me not cold here. Oh, also watch Republic clothes. But why clothes?
Super typhoon.
Because super typhoon, that's why close. Some of the shops close in SM Clark.
They preparing for typhoon.
Prepare for typhoon.
Ayan, natin yan.
Here also close. No. SM will open. We can check where we can eat today. Oh, New Balance soon open. Good. New Balance I like. And this shop also close. Yeah, they close. So many shops close right now. Shaira, can you ask security what time today close SM Clark? Shaira will ask when close. What?
They don't know.
He don't know?
Yes, they don't know.
Oh, interesting. Even security don't know, but some of shops is closed. Tissot closed. Philip Stein closed. Lumi closed. Oh, soon will open Chinese restaurant. Din Tai Fung. Gong Kong restaurant. Japanese restaurant is open. And not so many people today. Take a look, it's empty. Maybe inside. For Sunday, usually so many people everywhere. Yes, close because typhoon. Super typhoon One super typhoon. What about food court? Food court, so many available tables. Yeah, so many tables. Take a look. Shaira, for Sunday it's good. Usually in Sunday you need to find table first. Pick up. 19 degree. What is this? It's new coffee shop or what is this? Oh, ice cream. 19 degree. Fresh tea, milk tea, yogurt, fruit tea.
Milk tea already.
Yes, can is this one. This can. Excuse me, this is new shop? Oh, that's nice. We will try that later. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, you remember we eat before we sit here. It's one week ago. Okay, later, Shaira. First we need to eat normal foods, not drink. George also close. Rings close. Close also. Singaporean restaurant close. Matcha Tokyo close. Chili's open. Pancake also close. Yeah, today some of shops is closed because super typhoon. What is this? Juice? So no choice, we will eat in food court. Shaira, you choose what you want. For me, maybe I will take a bulalo. Bulalo for me better. Shaira want to choose here. Bulalo here also have, but I never tried here bulalo. What you want, Shaira? How much bulalo?
With 2 rice already. This one with soup also, with grilled fish and vegetables and rice.
So we will buy here bulalo with 2 rice. Oh, so many.
125 man, same fish, 125.
Also, I see notification here about typhoon. Булало. This is restaurant name. Okay, we will try this bulalo because I never eat in this restaurant. Usually I choose another from another restaurant bulalo. Okay, we'll try Shaira. Hot?
Little bit.
A little bit hot.
But it's good. Bulalo.
But good taste.
Yeah.
Not salty? Okay. But I will eat soup. For me more important soup. We just finished it here and very nice bulalo. Price is 225 peso only for us. Very cheap really. Later we walk and also will show to you Sam City Clark. Mercedes car GLA in SM Clark. I don't know how much, but I think Toyota better in the Philippines. In Asia, Toyota more better. Sales right now for Christmas. Near Starbucks coffee. And for children, sales. Brownies clothes. Zero down payment. That's why so many cars, Mitsubishi Mirage, so many in the Philippines, because down payment zero. And Chinese car also zero down payment. Sometimes some of cars. Today not so much people near shawarma. Yeah, usually so many people. Popular shawarma here. In Asal always busy, very popular in the Philippines, chicken in Asal. The same hypermarket. Chicken price today 180 peso. Makimura ramen. Yes, Sam Clark now not so many people. Buka Express. This is another entrance of SM City Clark. I will show to you outside how many people. taxi, asking about taxi. No, not so many people now. And don't have rain right now.
Pinauwi na ba?
Entrance. Main entrance to SM City Clark. We're going to home right now. Don't have rain, that's why we need to go home right now. I hope don't have typhoon strong today in the Philippines, in Angeles City, also in Mabalacat. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.
Traffic going to Mabalacat right now. Because it's a repair road here. Look, this is repair road here. Look now, 23 degree in the Philippines, in Angeles, Mabalacat City. Because typhoon, cold. Car not close the door. How he drive?